Nangita ba mo barato nga condominium unit diri sa Davao? Tara, bisitahon nato si Maldives Oasis. Strategically located at Escador Drive, Davao City. Fronting lang ni siya sa SM Ecoland, Davao. For as low as 8 to 9,000 pesos monthly, naa na kay own ni mga studio unit. As what you can see, our studio unit is approximately 25 to 26 square meter. Nanatay overhead cabinets o sink. And this is our 2-bedroom unit. As what you can see, nanatay overhead cabinets o sink. And this is our first bedroom. And on the other side is our master's bedroom. So it ranges 16 to 17,000 pesos monthly for down payment for 2-bedroom na to. And good thing, nice kayo ni siya for rental investment. Pwede na to na siya ipa Airbnb or booking.com. Kusog jud kayo ang rental investment diri sa Maldives in the near future. And aside from that, it's really good to invest in a property kay nag-appreciate yun ang iyang value. And this is our outside sa atuang condominium unit. We have here building A, B, C, D, E, and F. But karon our ongoing for selling is the building D. So usa pa inyong ginahulat guys, invest na mo diri sa Maldives Oasis for studio unit, 8 to 9,000 pesos starting for down payment, and for 2-bedroom unit is 16 to 17 pesos monthly. So usa pa atong ginapaabot, invest na ta for only 20,000 pesos reservation fee.